Our today's topic is graphs. We'll study Euler graph and Hamiltonian graph. Before we study the definition of Euler graph, we'll see what is Euler path. A path in a graph G is called Euler path if it includes every edge exactly once. That is, every edge is traveled only once. Next definition is of Euler circuit. If a Euler path is a circuit, then it is called Euler circuit. Now we'll see the definition of Euler graph. A connected graph G is said to be Eulerian graph if it has Eulerian circuit in it. If graph G is a connected graph with each vertex having even degree, then it is Eulerian graph. If G has a vertex of odd degree, then there cannot be a Euler circuit, that is, it is not a Eulerian graph. If G is connected and contains exactly two vertices of odd degree, then there is an Eulerian path in the graph but no Eulerian circuit. The path begins with one vertex of odd degree and ends on the other vertex of odd degree. Now we'll see an example. So in the given example A, we have to check whether the graph is Eulerian graph or not. So as we can see, the vertices have degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each vertex has degree 5. So vertices have odd degree, so it is not a Euler graph. Example B, this is also not a Euler graph because each vertices have degree 3. So vertices have odd degree, so it is not a Euler graph. Example C, in this example you can see that each vertex is A, B, C and D have each degree 2 and vertex E has degree 4, but all are even degree vertices, so this is a Euler graph. Next we'll see Hamiltonian graph, but before we go to the definition of Hamiltonian graph, we'll see the definition of Hamiltonian path. It is a path in the graph when each vertex is visited only once. So in the Hamiltonian graph, you have to check that the Hamiltonian path has each vertex visited only once. So we'll see the definition of Hamiltonian circuit. It is a circuit in a graph in which each vertex is visited only once except for the first vertex. Now see the definition of the Hamiltonian graph. A graph having Hamiltonian circuit is called Hamiltonian graph. The sufficient condition for a graph to be Hamiltonian graph is that n, that is number of vertices, should be more than equal to 3 and n by 2 should be less than equal to the degree of each vertex V. So let's take an example. So look at graph A and we have to check whether it is Hamiltonian graph or not. We can see there are 4 vertices A, B, C and D. So number 4 is more than equal to 3 or more than 3. So first condition is satisfied. And n by 2 is 2, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So now let us look at the degree of each vertices, we can see that the degree of each vertices is 3. So degree of each vertices is more than number 2. So we conclude that this is Hamiltonian graph. So you can take this example for practice and check if the given graph is Euler graph and the given graph is Hamiltonian graph or not, and you can post your answer in the description box. Thank you.